privileged to be hosting Mr. Shatrikya Bhattacharjee, Chief People Officer of ABP News Network. And after a highly engaging and intriguing guest lecture, we now have 3 questions for Sir.
Sure.
So, the first question is, you talked about business process reengineering. So, could you give us some tips and tricks on leveraging the concepts of BPR?
So, business process reengineering as a concept was propagated by James Champion Hamel. This is something which is as OD professionals and as leaders of the organization, we use business process reengineering concept as an application to evaluate the parameters of cost, quality, service, and speed, which are the basic handles of any business. So, business process reengineering actually takes a deep look into the process and finds out each process of a business in terms of their health, whether they are non-value adding process, whether they are value adding process, or whether they are a process full of wasteful activities. So at the end of it, fundamentally what we do is, we diagnose the process on their wastefulness, when their non-value addingness, and on their value adding capability, and we trim the process, and then we redesign the process. This is the fundamental of business process reengineering. What it gives you is, it makes the business healthy in terms of cost, quality, service, and speed.
Right. So that is what you said in the lecture, and it was amazing. Next is, could you quickly elaborate on the distinction between roles and responsibilities? Because that question came up quite frequently.
You see, most of us do not know what roles we play, and most of us unfortunately do not know to distinguish between roles and responsibilities. Responsibilities are something which is told to you. Responsibilities are expressed. Responsibilities can be finitely defined, quantified, measured, weighed. In the language of corporate performance is measured in terms of key responsibility areas, which we call the KRAs. But role is something which we ourselves define, and the success or the effectiveness of a role comes with the effectiveness of understanding well how the person defines the role. So, the tricky part is, most of the evaluations of any of the responsibilities are actually evaluations of the individual on that role, without saying that this is an evaluation of the role. It looks as if it's an evaluation of the responsibility, but it is actually an evaluation of the role. And most of us confuse between role and responsibilities. And you saw that today.
Exactly.
Everybody out of, I don't know how many were there, some 200 people were there, and they were all saying that roles and responsibilities, they're all same, but roles and responsibilities are very different.
Very rightly said, sir. And the last question would be, what was your experience like interacting with the students of VGSOM, and what message would you like to leave us with?
Well, I think my experience was that it was, since you never gave me a topic, you left it very unstructured. It did give me some bit of anxiety, that what do you talk in front of, say, 100, 150 people when you don't have a topic to talk. But I think we have some intelligent future managers here, some very sensible and curious professionals here, and it is they who steered the whole session towards something more meaningful, I guess. And I have enjoyed.
Lovely, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.